Welcome to Independence Journey. In this video, I'll talk about how my growth stock portfolio performed in June 2022. Before I begin, I apologize for the late upload. I'll catch up with July review soon. At the end of June 2020, the S&P 500 had its worst first half since 1970. The US Treasury yield went up to a high of 3.5%. Inflation rate hit 40-year highs. Markets predict 3% to 3.25% federal fund rate by the end of 2022. So far has been a painful year for investors, with most US equity benchmarks down between 20 and 35% from their respective 52-week highs. The S&P 500 registered its worst first half, minus 20%, since 1970, and its second worst first half since inception in 1957. The growth-heavy Nasdaq 100 declined in 5 of the first 6 months this year, which marked both its worst first half, minus 30% in 20 years, and its worst quarter, minus 22%, since the fourth quarter 2008, the time of financial crisis. Now let's take a look at my portfolio. The month-end balance of June is $4,312. Compared with the previous month, it decreased by $416, which was down 8.8%. The inception to date gain of my portfolio is minus 34.6%. I didn't buy or sell any stock in June. The top 3 stocks by dollar amount in my portfolio are Tesla, SoFi, and Lucid. In June, the market value of my portfolio decreased along with the market. One thing I want to mention is the importance of dollar cost averaging. This portion with gold color is US dollar cash. As you can see, I spent all the cash to purchase stocks in May. However, the market fell further in June, so it would have been better if I had spent only half of the cash in May and the other half in June to buy stocks. This is the daily chart of QQQ Nasdaq 100 ETF. It broke the low from May and went down further in mid-June. The sell-off was huge, so I thought at least some rebound would follow. Let's take a look at another chart. This is Bitcoin. Although it's not a stock, I consider it as an asset class because institutions are investing in it, and I believe trust for Bitcoin has been built among investors. In June, it fell more than 30%, while Nasdaq went down around 9%. Bitcoin is still very volatile, but I plan to take the opportunity to buy when it fell a lot and accumulate it with dollar cost averaging. That was my portfolio review for June 2020. If you have enjoyed this video, please help this channel grow by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. I'd really appreciate your support. I also recommend checking out my other videos that may interest you. Thank you for watching.